Hey everyone, welcome to the blockchain and cryptocurrency course. In this tutorial, we will be learning about how you can explore Bitcoin blockchain or Bitcoin transaction. So we will see how you can explore the Bitcoin transaction using Bitcoin Chain Explorer, in which we will have a look at Web Transaction Explorer. We will also explore transaction and we will see what transaction on blockchain contains. We will also see block and how it looks like to store transaction on blocks. So let's get into it. We'll need to go to Bitcoin Chain Explorer. There are many websites for exploring Bitcoin chain and tracking transaction. Blockchain.com provides its own chain explorer for many cryptos like Litecoin, Dogecoin, Bitcoin and some other. So let's go to blockchain.com/explorer and look into it. So here is the home page of blockchain.com/explorer. So as you can see, here all blocks are listed. This is the block number which is called block height. So current block is 590774. Previous block was 590773. You can also select other cryptocurrency like Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or you can also go to Bitcoin testnet. So if you want to explore the block, then you can click on to this block number or block hash. So let's click on to this block height or block number, which will list all the transaction which contained by this block. So this block contains 2290 transaction, which outputs total 8010 point something Bitcoin, and estimated transaction value is 441.95 and something. Total fee charged by this block is 0.1980576 Bitcoin. So this is about block. There are so many other details which you can go through, like what is the size of this block, how much weight of this block is, and how much block reward is given to mine this block. Currently reward per block mining is 12.5 Bitcoin. So if you want to explore particular transaction, click on to any of the transaction. For example, I want to see this transaction which has two input values. So total transacted Bitcoin is 0.05507 Bitcoin and it has one confirmation. And these Bitcoin are sent from these addresses to these addresses. So it has two inputs and two outputs. Total input is 0.05587 and total output is 0.05507. So this much fees are charged by this transaction. You can also see weight is 1032, size is 420 bytes, received on this time, and this transaction is included in this block on this particular timestamp, and it has one confirmation. As time will pass, the confirmation will increase. So you can also specify fee per byte when you are transacting. So this is the fees per byte. If you want to visualize this transaction, then you can click on to this view tree chart and you can visualize this transaction. So origin of this transaction contains 0.05507 BTC. It is sent to this address and this address. Both address has different amounts. So this is all about Bitcoin transaction and how you can visualize and see transaction on Bitcoin Chain Explorer. So let's quickly revise what we have learned in this tutorial. We have learned how you can see block which are created on Bitcoin blockchain using blockchain.com Explorer. We have also seen how you can see transaction details and transaction confirmation with Blockchain Explorer. So folks, this was all about exploring Bitcoin blockchain. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you very much.